Now just push down on this button. Here's that Craftsman. I'm going to shut it. Don't open that door. Don't open that door.
I couldn't. I need to.
Well, after I close that.
Okay.
The garage is not closed yet. If after I'm closing it, I'll get those back to you.
Okay.
When I'm in the car, I gotta close it. When you're parked, if you got your keys, I gotta take them and put them in the car. And no, can you close the door so I can close it? Thank you. There we go. The garage is there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Or you can come out this way. Careful you don't trip.
Craftsman 3/4 horsepower chain drive. Oops, the garage is not locked.
Yeah, we don't want to lock it. I have to open it. I have to get something out of the trunk.
Okay, why? Because the door is in the way?
Yeah.
Got any toilet seat?
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Yeah. Okay, I'll open the garage. To open the garage. There's lights on that trunk. Here's that Craftsman. That's Grandma's Camry. Here's Grandma's car. I'm going to
Don't pull it.
but I was trying to do that. All right. Okay, now I'm going to close the garage door. Can you come in the house? But do not open the door. Okay. Okay, now let's shut the garage. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, let's... Now let's close that. Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
Okay, I'm just checking to make sure that you're not going outside.
Okay. Okay. We push that on that light button. The door is locked. Alright, I will need a video for mine. I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye.